Yes. So well, today is the 30th of September 2021. We have Meesakatu to take his tea here. Ialahti, one of the suburbs of Tampere,
Niemenranta.
Oh, Niemenranta, yeah. But it's close to Ialahti and
Yeah.
also close to Niemi here in Tampere, Pirkaland, Finland, towards which the Tampere light rail line is being extended to. There are 6 floors with 7 stops, and there's a half floor here. And it was built in 2012, turning 10 years old in next year, 2022 already, and the serial number is 1473067. The capacity is 8 person brings 30 grams. It will also be inspected in the next year, 2022.
Yeah.
Scenic. Or almost.
Yeah.
With design, but boring design cab.
Yeah.
But still not so bad.
Yeah.
But so far, one is enough. There's no door close button here.
Yeah. Inspected by Kivais, but maintained by Kone.
Yeah. Back to phobia 1.
We started.
Oh yeah, okay. Sure. But I might send it up if you can see from the outside.
Oh.
Yeah, it should be possible.
Yeah, of course.
Yes, you can see from outside. It's similar to the ones in bodybuilding.
That's